You see that rain is going to be coming across our state for the most part going into the morning hours and all the way into around midday, and that's when it starts to taper off a little bit. We'll get a slight break before the severe storms arrive. Now this line is what we're going to be watching. This is what could cause some trouble across the state. Around 7 p.m. it starts to come across the state, and by 8 p.m. it is hitting the metro area. This could have anything with large hail, damaging winds, and tornadoes. Now it'll slowly make its way across the state. By 11 p.m. it is almost made its way across the entire state, and then we will get a break on Saturday. However, Saturday afternoon and evening we can see some pop-ups along with some more showers and storms come our way. But then Sunday happens, and then Sunday it gives us another round of severe storms, and we'll get a lot of rain out of this, so we can see some localized flooding in some areas. Now, as far as your severe weather outlook, we are at a level 3 and to level 2 across majority of the state, so we can see anything with elevated risk for tornadoes, 60 to 70 mile-an-hour wind gusts, and hail up to 2 inches in diameter. Now, for Saturday, you can see that level 3 risk is still in the state, but a lot of us are in that level 2 risk. However, we are still going to see those threats. The tornado threat will have gone down a little bit, but the wind is going to be picking up. We're looking at 60 to 80 mile-an-hour wind gusts, and that 2-inch or greater size hail is still there. Now for Sunday, you can see that the threat has really died down, but there's still a possibility to see some severe storms on that day. Now, once it's all said and done, we are looking to see anywhere between a ½ inch to over 3 inches in some areas across the state. So we are going to get a decent amount of rain. Now, here's a look at the rain that is coming across our state right now. You can see that there are heavier pockets of rain off towards the western part of the state. The southern part of the state is also seeing that heavier rainfall, along with the northern part of the state as well. Now, it is finally starting to enter the center part of the state, and we are going to see those pockets of heavier rainfall as well. Right now it is 55 degrees. That wind is 24 miles an hour, so it is windy out there. The temperatures across the state are in the 40s to 50s right now, so it is a little bit warmer, but we are going to warm up just slightly. Now those wind speeds are still on the breezy to windier sides, but you can see that our wind gusts are already nearing 40 miles an hour. Now today we are going to get up to 64 degrees. It's going to be rainy and windy until about midday. Then things kind of die down a little bit before we see those severe storms tonight. We'll get down to about 60 degrees tonight, and then Saturday and Sunday we could see a couple more rounds of severe storms, but as we go into next week, that's when things start to get better. We'll level off into the 70s, but for right now it's time to be weather aware going into this weekend.
Absolutely, Hannah, thank you.